Are you sitting down? A recent study found that the appearance of a woman's skin on her chest, hands, and arms greatly impacts how old she is perceived to be. In other words, it's not just your face that you need to worry about aging you, it's your skin too. It's no secret that aging is inevitable. But if you have to age, why not do everything you can to put it off as long as possible? It turns out it's more than your genes and the sun that may be aging you. Let's dive into the video to learn 8 ways to maintain a youthful appearance. 1. Stay out of the sun. While it's true that the sun isn't the only factor in the overall appearance of your skin, it does play a huge role. In fact, damage from the sun's UV light, UVA, and UVB rays is responsible for about 90% of your skin's visible signs of aging. UV rays break down the elastin in your skin, causing a saggy and dull appearance, wrinkles, age spots, uneven skin tone, and more. Always wear a good quality sunscreen with an SPF rating of at least 30, and make sure that it's a broad spectrum sunscreen, meaning it helps block both UVA and UVB rays. Keep in mind that the sun's rays are out whether it's sunny or not, so be sure that you wear sunscreen every day. And remember to reapply every few hours for maximum protection. 2. Drink plenty of water. Another key to younger-looking skin is hydration. You should aim for 8 glasses of filtered water each day to keep your skin looking radiant and support optimal health. Dehydration can quickly cause your skin to look dry and dull, emphasizing wrinkles and aging. Drinking enough water each day replenishes your skin's tissue and cells, allowing for younger and healthier-looking skin. By the way, if you're interested in discovering more fantastic beverages that can help you achieve that radiant, glowing skin and support your weight loss journey, I've got you covered. I've created a video dedicated to 10 best drinks for glowing skin and weight loss. And you can find it right up here in the I button, or simply click the link in the description below after you finish watching this video. Trust me, it's a must-watch for anyone looking to enhance their skin's beauty and overall well-being. 3. Get some zizz. Another key to maintaining a youthful appearance is to simply get some rest. When you sleep, your body continuously releases hormones that promote cell turnover and renewal. Use this time to your advantage. This is when you should be using age-defying actives such as retinoids and beta-hydroxy acid, which are both powerful exfoliants and wrinkle erasers. But keep in mind that these increase your sensitivity to sunlight, so be extra vigilant with the sunscreen. To take it a step further, consider upgrading to a satin pillowcase. Over time, tossing and turning on a rougher fabric, such as cotton, can contribute to the breakdown of collagen in your skin, leading to wrinkles. 4. Rub it in. While water helps your skin stay hydrated from the inside out, you can also help it along by making sure you're using the right kind of moisturizer consistently. Hydrated skin not only looks better, it is also stronger and better able to fight off any irritants. Moisturizers consist of 2 components to help your skin feel soft and supple: humectants, which draw in water from the air to your skin, and emollients, which help strengthen your skin's lipid barrier and hold in moisture. Creams and moisturizers are not all created equal. It is important to use clinical-grade products with better absorption and penetration into the skin, also with higher active ingredients, for best results and backed by clinical studies proven to treat and protect the skin. 5. Eat a diet rich in plants. The benefits of a diet heavy in fruits and vegetables are many. They provide key nutrients that help support healthy aging and keep your body young, both on the inside and out. Fruits and vegetables also up your intake of phytonutrients, which help your body ward off the damaging effects of free radicals found in the environment. Aim to eat a healthy diet consisting of mostly fruits and vegetables, supplemented with whole grains and healthy, lean proteins. If you haven't checked out my previous video on 10 anti-aging foods to support your 40s and beyond body, you definitely should. I've shared some valuable tips and foods that can do wonders for your skin. You can find the link to that video right up here or in the description below. Now, let's dive into the incredible benefits of staying hydrated for that youthful glow. 6. Get moving. Staying active is helpful in maintaining a healthy weight, But did you know that it has been proven to also help you look younger? Research has shown that vigorous exercise, especially high-intensity interval training, HIIT, can slow your aging at a cellular level by nearly 10 years. But the benefits don't stop there. Exercise also increases blood flow, moving oxygen and critical nutrients throughout your body, leading to a more youthful appearance. Further, regular exercise is critical to maintaining strength and muscle mass, which also boasts a ton of health benefits and can add years to your lifespan. 7. Establish a good routine. While there are steps that can be taken to help reverse damage to your skin, it is so much easier to help prevent the damage before it begins. Make a good skincare routine your daily habit. Aim to use a gentle cleanser and exfoliant, and make sure that you're using the proper treatments and serums for your skin type and needs. And be sure to use a daily moisturizer to increase your skin's elasticity and keep it hydrated. 8. Limit alcohol and caffeine. While we love a good martini or latte as much as the next person, and both alcohol and caffeine can have health benefits when consumed in moderation, too much can wreak havoc on your skin. Both can dehydrate your body and rob it of key nutrients. What's even worse is that some of these effects can be permanent. Protect your skin now for a beautiful future. There's no substitute for taking good care of your skin, and it will eventually show how you treat it. As we come to the end of today's video, I hope you found these 8 ways to maintain a youthful appearance helpful and informative. Remember, achieving and maintaining that youthful glow is a journey that requires commitment and self-care. If you enjoyed this video and found it valuable, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel for more tips and advice on looking and feeling your best as you age gracefully. If you'd like to explore more topics related to health, beauty, and wellness, please let me know in the comments below. I love hearing from you.